Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you guys doing? This is Nighttime, not your typical old man. Another mouse unboxing and setting up. I literally just received this 2 minutes ago. Oh, wow. It looks like a Hulk Hogan ripping the shirt. Oh, my brother! Oh, wow. Metafor. 70 optical gaming mouse. Everest SM-G07 RGB backlid. All right, there it is. A little less reflection. Metafor Everest SM-G07 RGB. What does it say? Let me get my glasses on very quick. On the box, there are two versions, which is the Turkish and English versions here. It says product features. 7 keys optical gaming mouse, DPI minimum and maximum from 800 to 6400. From 800 to 6400. Designed for all users. Range of about 16.8 million colors. 5 million keystroke lifespan. 5 million keystroke. Fire. If 5 million goes like in a couple months. I'm just kidding. It won't go. 150 centimeter cable length, which is, I guess, normal length we're talking about. Dimensions is whatever, and weight whatever. And all that good stuff. Connection type is USB wired, which I want. Package contents, Metafor gaming mouse, user manual, quick installation guide. By the way, I downloaded the driver yesterday. Hopefully it's gonna work. Where is it? There's it. Let's put that on top of the box. Not that I'm gonna return it. Ugh. Opening it. Is it like this or like that? Doesn't matter, does it? Ta-da! Oh, sorry. Nice. I wonder if I can use this for something. Everest SM, which is the user manual. Oh wow, look at that. Signature and all that stuff. Oh, okay. So I didn't know it was actually book style, opens up like this. I just noticed that. So you actually, let me do this again. I just didn't notice that was, so it's, all right, here it is, the mouse. Ta-da! What? Wait a minute, where'd the mouse go? How that? Okay, so it wasn't on. Okay, it was like, oh wow, holy moly. That is kind of tricky to put this in now. Back in. I have to show you guys. I'm sorry. What I'm supposed to do at the first time when before opening this box, hey, look, inside there's a mouse, you see? But I didn't know this thing was actually flippable. It's stuck together. All right. This is lighter than the other one. The other one's I had. Yeah, almost light as this one, maybe a little lighter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 buttons, 6, 7. The right and left button. Nice roll. Let's hook this up.
A few minutes later.
Okay, I had to actually install the drivers. It didn't recognize when I hooked up the USB cord. So I installed the drivers and started, and it worked. So here is the mouse. It's very nice. I like the way it looks, honestly. Very light. And let's take a look at the setup, so we can set up the mouse speed and put all the controls for the game. Here it is. DPI is a little bit, it's a game mode here. Let's put the game mode. Let's see, advanced 800, go with 2400. Much better. Let's use 2400. Lights, how about full light? I like that. I like this one better. It actually matches with gamepad. And also the short, which you call 65% keyboard. They're all the same now. All right. Let's take a look. Game mode. Now, let's start from 3. The 3 is middle click. It is user defined, and it is G, which is grenade. Confirm. 6 is interact, which is J in my game. Confirm. And 7 is reload, which is R. Confirm. Now 4 and 5. 4 and 5 on top. Now I use 5 to open the what you call supply box. It is B. 4 forward. I'm gonna use that to use one of my streak, which is the airstrike. It is actually number 7 key. Here's a defined number 7, and that's it. We are done. How about we test this in hired ops game in training mode? Let's do it. All right, here's the game, and we're gonna go to tutorial. That's what it is.
Well, mercenary. This is our frontier for all newcomers. If you
I
want
like
to live
the
long enough and battle to
speed
satisfy
of
the customer,
movement.
you need to pass this milestone. You can overcome these obstacles, I hope.
Here's the
down.
crate.
It won't kill you.
I open.
Painful. Get used to it. Or better, learn
Good.
to always
Very
carry
smooth.
a first aid kit on you. Alright, now you know how to treat wounds. Now let's see how you inflict those wounds on an enemy. A pistol might be just a secondary weapon, but mastering it will always be worth it.
Interact is
In close
working.
quarters combat, you have to shoot fast. By firing from the hip, you
Nice.
don't waste.
Reload is
It's
working.
easier to aim and hip fire with a laser module. Just don't forget that your enemies see it too.
Everything is working pretty good so far.
Firing from the lean position allows you to engage the enemy with less exposure to their fire. See the airdrop? Pick it up. Getting some money is always a treat.
Very good.
A skillful grenade throw can solve many problems. Practice this skill. This little toy is an advanced modern combat tactic. It's capable of striking the enemy accurately and with minimal risk.
This is the letter Z I use on my keyboard, which is close to my fingers, doesn't matter. And this one here, support, which is the airstrike. I'm going to use one of the buttons that I programmed. And it is not working. Oh, hello. That's my fault. It wasn't
when the
effective.
enemy numbers become overwhelming, the artillery comes
It
to the
is
rescue,
working.
but it requires eyes, meaning you. Mark the artillery strike
Man, I was
position
kind
on
of
your
sad.
map.
I said, man, we found one more bug with this one, but nope,
Show
no
me
bugs.
how you use a melee weapon, and we'll
That happens in
consider
the
you
game.
ready for
Sometimes
combat.
it just doesn't register. Nice. All the buttons I programmed are working very good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, after all that unboxing, setting up, and actually testing this, my verdict, as it was with the other one, this is nice. This is very, very good. It felt very smooth. Gameplay was really nice. Setup very easy. So if you want to buy a gaming mouse that is not expensive at all, I would recommend you to get Metafor 70 optical gaming mouse. 100%. I like it. There was a glitch, but it wasn't the mouse's fault. It's the game. It does it sometimes. Here it is, guys. My new full-time mouse here. And this is going to be my backup, wireless. But yeah, I needed the backup. Here's my backup. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you like gaming, just subscribe to my channel and watch me play Hired Ups. I go crazy sometimes. Bye-bye.